Okay, I'm gonna talk now.
Yep.
I'm gonna talk to the camera. Okay. Say, if it's cool, I'll use it. If not, it's not cool. But look. Let's go. We won't fit in our box. We don't quit, we won't stop. Ride us all to the top. We won't fit it up, we won't fit it up, we won't fit it. All right. All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning. It is a special day here on the channel for a couple reasons. One is that we finally got our first big brush of snow here in the Front Range of Colorado and in the Denver metro area in general, leaving us about 4 to 6 inches over the weekend over one big storm. And it's been nice too because it's been so cold that the snow's been sticking around. Another big reason that I'm so excited for the day is I'm back at my favorite, or I should say our favorite, ski resort, Copper Mountain. Gonna be skiing today with my wife, which is super awesome because we haven't skied up at Copper since we got married. Savannah and I actually had our 3rd date up here at Copper Mountain, and I don't know if there's something special about the mountain in general, but I think it ended up pretty well because we're married. It's about 9:13 a.m. and the drive up I-70 wasn't too bad, but the parking lot right now up in Copper would kind of say otherwise because it's super packed up here. Today is also Copper's 50th anniversary of being open, so they're gonna have a lot of live music, little festival going down in Central Village. Let's get our stuff on. Let's have us a day. All right, gang. First lap of the day. The lady and I were gonna do a top to bottom for you guys, but Center Village is just a little too packed right now, so I think we're just gonna ride. Ooh, little kicker. I think we're just gonna ride off of American Flyer and go back down to Accelerator. Because the crowds are just a little too much, but that's all right. Good little warm-up lap underneath us. See how the snow is? Look at her just taking off. That's why I love her, you guys. That's why I love that lady right there. Man, this section is quite icy, or at least snowpacked. Gonna try to stick to the outside and see if we can't get some of the push snow. Maybe we can't get some patches, but wow, it's very snowpacked up here. Still early morning, so the sun's probably only been out for a little while. Hopefully it helps soften everything up. But there's definitely a lot of landmines as far as people go around here, so Saturday, it's busy. Just gotta definitely be extra careful when you're riding. Man, I cannot find my edges on these, you guys. It's snow packed. Holy crap. I saw the lady just almost fall too. I think she's feeling just as much as I am. It's nice to be back up at Copper though. We actually got lucky too because the bus driver that was taking us to Center Village actually told us that we kind of lucked out. The lifts lost total power right before he showed up. So hopefully that doesn't happen again, but for right now it's open, everything's riding. But it is a packed house. Roll that beautiful ski footage. doing a couple runs off the accelerator lift and American Eagle, we made our way over to American Flyer, and this is a longer lift over here. The lift line was still pretty long, but it's super packed up here today. I mean, for good reason too. It's Saturday. It's kind of one of the first days of the year that there's been a lot of snowfall, and just really popular day to come out and all in general at Copper here. I'm still really surprised by how many lifts and chairs that are actually running right now. For the most part, like all the major highway trails that you can have going through this resort right now are pretty much open, besides East Village. I know East Village, the Super B lift is running, but you can't go over there still because only the schools and the training are actually going on right now. If Savannah and I were here pretty much any other day of the week, that's where we would normally go. We would usually just make the 7-minute walk from the parking lot to East Village and ride up Super B from there, because that's kind of like where majority of our favorite runs are. But either way, Bluebird Day, gorgeous out, good people. What more can you ask for? All right, gang, we just made our way back to the car. Besides there being just a ton of crowds, and I mean that's noticeable for Saturdays, I think we had a really good day. The fact that a lot of the lifts here at Copper are running and are able to be open for a lot of different trails is just really nice. So it's just so fun to come up here, especially with my wife. I mean, whenever we can get a chance to come up here together and ride, it's just so fun. But I just want to thank you all again so much for watching. Hope to see you OOT and ABOOT. We'll see you guys in the next one. And real quick, can you hand me the thing? Tangerine Dream, you get in my mouth.